Hello, I'm John Furrier here with theCUBE. We are in Paris, France for the Raise Summit 2025. It's an international event. We're here with the NYSE and the Wired team. It's full here. SiliconANGLE, theCUBE, and the Wired, making it happen. Getting all the data, sharing them with you. Of course, the innovation story is front and center on the global stage. Kevin Cochrane, the CMO of Vultr is here, big booth, and generous supporter of theCUBE. Thank you very much for supporting the community. We really appreciate it. Thanks for coming on theCUBE.
Thank you so much, Sean. So happy to be here and love everything that you do and honored to support.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. The community loves it and the content's going to be flowing. Parade of startups, parade of innovation. Talk about Vultr, and you guys have a great booth, you got a lot going on, the business is phenomenal. Take a minute to explain what Vultr's doing and some of the momentums. I think a lot of people need to know the stuff you guys are doing, it's really doing well.
Yeah, so Vultr is an AI-first hyperscaler. So we have a 10-year operating history as a public cloud platform, operating in over 32 data center regions around the globe. We are specialists in integrating CPU compute and GPU compute to enable enterprises to build, train, and deploy AI native applications globally.
And you guys are founder-led as well. Talk about that, because this is a huge milestone.
Yeah, it's one of the most interesting stories, I think, in tech, because to the best of my knowledge, Vultr is the only company in tech history that has successfully scaled north of $100 million in revenue, profitably, without a single dime of outside capital, and without a single person in sales or a single person in marketing. So Vultr was absolutely founder-led. It was a group of engineers that just wanted to build a better platform for developers to build and scale cloud native applications. And simply put, because it actually was so cost efficient and so resilient and provided such incredible performance, developers adopted it in droves.
No fluff.
No fluff. I mean,
word of mouth. I mean, basically word gets around.
Word got around. It literally, the economics are such that if you deploy your workloads on Vultr, you have better performance at cost structure that's between 50 and 90% lower than the hyperscalers. So it literally does what it says on the tin. There is no fluff. On one hand, they didn't need a single person in sales and marketing because the platform just works. Now, that said, it's nice to have a little marketing to be able to broadcast to the world how great you are, and more specifically how you can help customers, which is essentially what we're doing here at Raise Paris.
Yeah, and so growth kicks in. By the way, theCUBE is right behind you. We have no outside capital.
Right.
We're nipping at your hip now, 100 million. We'll break the record.
We'll break it, go for it.
Yeah, we're going to try hard. Let's talk about what the enterprise, because I think that, I love that story. I wanted to get that out, because I think personally, companies that can scale without taking outside capital is the alpha position in entrepreneurship. And a lot of people think raising money is the thing. Doing it without it is more of a king position. In my mind, it's like it is the top of the mountain. But now you got growth. Okay, so great. The better product sells itself. Check.
Yeah.
No problem. Now you got growth.
Yeah.
So this is where now capital comes in, go to market.
Correct.
Talk us through what your plans are and what's happening now, because now you got the good product.
Yeah.
Product-led growth is a great thing. What's
100%.
happening now with your customers? What are the things that you guys are doing?
Yeah, so there's three primary vectors that basically fuel growth, which is number one is we need to lead with customer success. Every single person, every single enterprise is now looking to deploy AI at scale, and they're looking to actually get ROI from their AI initiative. So what we need to do as a vendor is partner with our customers, help them down that golden path to success, document how they achieve that success with all of the technical architecture, and help show the rest of the world how they can follow that example. So we are 100% focused on identifying key industry use cases, industry by industry, and getting lighthouse customers for each of those use cases